Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409. Or we even have an easier way to get to our website now. You just go to victoryford.com. And speaking of easy, new car and used car buying easy right here at Victory Ford. And if you're in the market for a new F-150, look at this. A lot of dealers are struggling to get inventory. We've got them starting to come in right now. We've got XLTs, we've got Lariats, we've got the new Power Boost set up, the whole bit. And here are just a few. We've got crew cabs, we've got regular cabs, work trucks, Lariats, like I said. But some of the things we make car buying easy, everything's listed clearly on our website, all the pricing. All you need to do is come on in, take a test drive, or if we need to come to you, we can also do a on-site, at-home test drive. That is some of the things we've been doing here during the pandemic just to make car buying easy. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. If you're in the market for a new F-150, we've got them. Stop out today.